I am Mohammad from BTech CSP Spin Layer. Here is my URL Shortener project. Here is the basic README file that consists of all the details about our project. It's a full stack project, yes. It consists of registrations and login separately, which shortens the URL given by the user with customizable aliases, expiry dates, and generate QR codes to reach the URL easier. Here is our general setup of our project. Let's do it practically later. And below is our architecture. And let's go to the basic structure. Two components, frontend and backend. Here is our backend, developed using Node.js. Here is our dependencies, JSON files that helps to transfer data between the frontend and backend and database. env file configures files, stores sensitive data, and frontend. Yes. Developed using React.js with White because White is more faster than the general React. Separate pages like home, login pages, and profile. Here is our readme files, architecture file, assumption, deployment, and readme. Readme consists of the all important information about our project. Yes. Architecture, which uses REST APIs, enables communication between the frontend and backend because both uses JavaScript. Here is our database using MongoDB in URL shortener, users, documents. Till date, we have 3 logins used for testing: name, email ID, and password. And our tests. And yes, this is our structure of our project: front-end, back-end. Here is the whole structure of the project architecture. Now let's run the project. First, we have to run the backend. Set root cd backend. Yes. npm run dev running. Yes, running successfully. And now front-end. Setting root npm run dev. Yes, here is our URL to run the project. Localhost. Open externally to get a whole view, proper view. Here is our port 5175. Here is our home page. Now let's log out and come from the first. Credentials. Here is the details of our project. That gives overview for the new users, sign up page and login. Here is our home page. Close. Two options, long URL and bulk. You can choose any one. Now we can go to Pinterest, any URL. For example, now give it into the long URL. Bulk upload is optional. Customer is also optional. Expiry date is also optional. Let's try it now. 4:30 p.m. Okay, let's give customize Coimbatore. These both are optional. Yes, we got it. Here is our shortened URL. Let's check whether it runs as same as the original URL. You can view also the analytics. Here is total clicks is 0, so we can test it. Yes, we got the same page. Now let's refresh the page. Yes, increased to 1. Last listed expiry date, and here is our analytics. Daily click trends, browsers, operating systems, Windows, device type desktop, recent visits. Yes, let's go back. We have used here is our profile page, our link history. Here also you can view the analytics as same as we seen before. We can generate QR codes, copy that public stats as usual, edit the URLs like this. Save. And also we can delete. We can delete this. Yes, deleted. We have used glass morphism as iOS to get a beautiful look for our page, like iPhones, because UI is very important for our project. And here is the basic view of our project. Hope this would be a beautiful project, and I have done my best on it. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Hope I will do my best in future too.